ready to set up the bike and be on our way. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. We are about to go up on Angel's Crest to go ahead and hit, what is it called? Angel's Forest? Whatever we're calling this. But I'm with the buddies right now. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Oh, baby. Pac-Man.
Pac-Man, go ahead and introduce yourself. EDC, let's go. So now we're getting ready. We just topped off. We're hitting the road. And y'all be coming along with us. Peace. Alright, we just made it up here to the Mount Wilson Observatory little parking area, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a bike check. So first up, P-Cal, Pac-Man.
This is 2013R1. Got her a couple months ago. This is the first real mountain ride up into these mountains. Got a little chicken stitch.
Was there, now it's over here, so breaking in them tires. Got a nice little ride, breaking her in. Nice and black on gray. She's handling, baby. She's handling. Taking them leans, baby. Taking them leans. Making them gains.
Taking them gains. Alright, next on deck, let's go ahead and check out EDC's bike.
Hey guys, this is EDC. This is my brand spanking new 2024 Hayabusa. Her name's Aya. Treats me well. A little beefy, but she's my muscle mommy. And I'm still getting used to her, you know, brand new. Just taking on the first Twisties, see how it goes.
And how you feeling coming up the mountain on this?
Feels good, man. Scary, but good.
I'm here rocking the Ninja 650 right here on white. She's been treating us quite well. And honestly, it's a 650, so the lean angles are pretty good. Got a little bit of scuff in here, but still, my ass was still terrified. It's been a minute by coming up the Twisties, but it's all good. We're about to go ahead and head up to the observation area to go view, take some photos. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace. Let's go ahead and take a view from the sky.
Here we are. We just got done, completed the mountain. It was a fantastic ride today. Hungry, we've already started rubbing. As you can tell, Lake Peak is where we're at. We're gonna munch all this stuff down. See you on the next one.
And there we go. That is the conclusion of today's ride. We had a blast. I'm back home, made it here safely. Now see y'all on the next one. Peace.